How to hide online status on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open WhatsApp. Click on the three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Click on Settings. Click on Account. Click on Privacy. So here you need to change three stuffs. Firstly, change your last seen to nobody, so that no one knows last time you were online. Secondly, change status to only share with, and then select no one and save it. This way no one can see your status updates. Thirdly, turn off the read receipts toggle off, so that no one knows whether you have read their messages or not. And that's it. That's how to hide online status on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.